Hey Green Thumbs, today I want to give you some hot tips on setting up your own edible garden. It's very important for your plants to get lots of sun throughout all seasons. My hot tip is to get an app called SunCal, which is free. There's heaps of other apps out there too, but that's the one I use. It'll tell you where the sun rises, where the sun sets, how the sunlight changes throughout the season, so you can make sure you put your bed in the perfect spot. If you've got a small amount of space, maybe you want to put things in containers, grow things up trellises, use that vertical space. If you've got a bit more of a yard, you can set up some really good raised garden beds. You just need to think about spacing between those beds. Make sure there's enough room for a wheelbarrow to go through, or a weeding bucket, or maybe a chair so you can sit down and do some planting. With raised beds, you can put them on grass or dirt, whatever you like, but I like to put cardboard and newspaper underneath to suppress those weeds because I don't like using chemicals. Then fill it with lots of really rich organic soil. You need to make sure that that soil is got lots of nutrients in it, and then your plants will thrive. If you didn't want to go and buy soil, you can set up your own no-dig bed. Layer in organic material and some sort of dry leaves and sticks, and that helps with aeration, kind of like a hot compost. So my next tip is thinking about plants. There's three main areas you need to look at. Make sure you plant what you love. What are you going to eat? What's going to be most used in the garden? A lot of people, I sort of suggest, start with herbs because they're great, they're easy. The second thing is plant things for the pollinators. Plant some flowers to attract those beneficial insects to your garden. And then also planting things that maybe do some pest control for you. Mulch, make sure you mulch. This is sugarcane mulch. It's great for suppressing the weeds and keeping your beds really nice and moist. Okay, Green Thumbs, that's my tips. Good luck in the garden. See you next time.